Hi, and welcome to another Cooking with Judd. Tonight we're going to do something special, a French bread pizza. This is based on the Stouffers French Bread Pizza, which I used to love, but once I went gluten-free, of course, I couldn't have them anymore. I wish Stouffers would do some gluten-free stuff because they do such beautiful food. But I came up with a variation on it to deal with the gluten-free thing, mainly because Against the Grain brand, gluten-free stuff has a really good French baguette. They also have really good pizza. Even people who are not gluten-free like their pizza. It's that good. So we're going to do up a French bread pizza based on one of these, half of one of these baguettes, and I'll show you how we did that. Last time I did it, I forgot to do something, and it was still delicious, but it didn't, well, I'll cover that when I get to it. Stay tuned. Also, I got new lighting tonight. I'm using some floodlights I bought for a photo shoot a while ago to get some white light in here so maybe we can actually see things as they are. Okay, so this is a frozen Against the Grain baguette, half of one, because I already cut off half, had it the other day. And what I'm going to do now is, what I'm going to do now is put it in the microwave and thaw it. Okay, 2 minutes in the microwave at 50% power, and it's all good now. Now we take this out and we cut it in half as best we can. Duplicates. Now we put that down there, and we take my beloved sandwich press, which I learned about at Disney, and we press that baby down. Okay, and we're just going to let that squash that down, and it's going to make a better pizza crust. As it was originally, it's got too many deep holes in it where you would have puddles of sauce, and that just wouldn't work right. So this is the step I left out last time, and I'm doing now. Okay, now, pressed. And since they were warm out of the microwave, and like many gluten-free things, they come out, they're a little doughy on the inside. So this is a little more cooking anyway. But now we got a nice flat thing that we can put our stuff on. Don't you love all these technical terms? We're also trying a new pizza sauce tonight. This is a Prego pizza sauce because this was actually labeled as gluten-free. No, we put these on a tray, don't we? Okay, this is my pizza tray, cut down from a full-size oven pizza tray. Open our Prego. Okay. We shall distribute our pizza sauce. Hope this is good. I wonder if this is good. Woo! That's good. Okay. See, now that I've squashed the bread, I can just put this on, whereas last time I was trying to keep it out of the nooks and crannies. I mean, if you can eat the Stouffers, if you aren't gluten-free and you can eat the Stouffers, by all means, go for it. Good stuff. Yeah, French bread pizza. Oh, man. Even after I was gluten-free, I kept cheating and having a little bit of that, but it was just too painful after a while. Okay, now, where's the cheese? It's in the freezer. Judd's frozen cheese. Okay, oh, and I don't even have to break it up that much today. Oh, you know what? I'm going back with that other, remember that other trick I told you a few weeks ago? Put the pepperonis on first. Pepperonis, okay? Okay. Oh, that's nice. This is going to be nice. This is going to be nice. Okay, so we got 5 pepperonis on each half. Now we put on the cheese. I should have put aluminum foil under this. There we go. Oh, that's nice. There we go. Okay, good. Yum, 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 yum. Okay. Oh, baby. Oh, man. Oh, look at that, baby. That's going to be good. So there they are, ready to go into the oven. I'm going to put them in the oven for, I don't know, I'll look at them at about 6 minutes, I think. Alright, there we go. Woohoo! Sorry, I got distracted. There's a live stream of illuminations and I was trying to get it on the TV. So these have been in too long, but not looking too bad. There you are. There's my French bread pizza. I gotta go watch illuminations. They're ending it. They're gonna replace it with more cartoons on sprayed water. Isn't that wonderful? Okay, here we go, just a quickie. Alright, delicious. Illumination starting. Happy day to you. Oh, that was good. Damn.
Gathered for thousands and thousands of years before us to share the light and to share a story.